Okay, so I've been drinking these every morning for like a week now, and I'm a little obsessed. 200 milligrams of caffeine, 0 sugar, and it doesn't taste like medicine, which...
Every ad you just saw came out of Claude chat. No filming, no editor, no agency, and I will show you how to do exactly the same. And this video will be split in 2 parts. The first one, Higgsfield Marketing Studio. This is where the ads actually get made, and I will show you how to set it up in a few minutes. And then the second part, which is the real point of this video, I'll connect Higgsfield to Claude with one click, build a reusable skill, and I'll run my full marketing agency and ad campaign without ever opening Higgsfield again. And for today's example, I'll be using fake product, my energy drink called Subscribe, so you don't have to be distracted by the product. The system will work with anything you sell: SaaS, course, supplements, creams, and anything else. So first of all, let's jump into Higgsfield. You can find the link in the description. This is basically where you can find all the latest video and image models. And they launched this new feature called Marketing Studio. If you click on it, you will see this dashboard. And this is basically where you can create lots of different UGC and promo videos with just few clicks and few presets. If you scroll down, first of all, you see lots of popular presets you've seen on TikTok, on Instagram, because Higgsfield is scanning social media for all the latest trends, for latest hooks, and then you can actually use them right here by using AI influencers or even like studio shots like this. First of all, you can also create your own effects. So you can click right here and select what do you want to do. Is it UGC? So you can see we have UGC influencer, which is typical. We have tutorial. We also have unboxing option, product review, or if you're promoting clothing, you can actually do this virtual try on. And after that, we have some commercial presets like studio shots and like TV look. So for this example, we're using UGC. Next up, we have hooks, which is a really new feature on Higgsfield. And this allows us to replicate the most popular and viral hooks from TikTok and Instagram. If you go down, we have spicy one, of course, from the guys. Then you have this strange one when people are talking to strange microphones, for example, baguette. We also have street interviews, which is a really big one on TikTok. For example, product dodge, when the product's thrown at you, or epic fail. And you want these hooks because these hooks will attract attention and better watch time. And lastly, we can select a setting. This is actually pretty cool. So you can actually do a UGC ad from airplane wing, or for example, on the roof next to a volcano. So lots of really crazy settings. You can select realistic or unrealistic, and after that you can just add the product and also avatar. And for example, if you don't have an avatar, you can select from lots of different presets. For this example, I want to do a cool product shot like this, so let's click recreate. You can see dynamic, and this is the product in the example. So let's add our own product. So let's click on it, and we have 2 options. The first one, if you have electronic shop, you can actually add a link to the product, or if you have a picture, just click create manually, add a picture, name it, and it will appear right here. So let's click on my product and just click generate. It will take around 2-5 minutes and you will have this video. I do think it looks really good. By the way, at the end of the video, I will also talk about the cost, how much each of these videos cost, because it's pretty actually expensive. And now quickly, let's create one of the UGC ads. For example, I like this one, but you can see in this example, we have the model, we have our prompt, but there's a product called Aura. I want to change this product. Let's add our product. Now you can see we have our product, but the prompt is still not correct. So for example, if you read right now, the model is holding Aura Tumbler 40OZ in underhand. So I just took this prompt and asked Claude to change it for my product and for my idea, and then generate. And we got this video.
Okay, so I've been drinking these every morning for like a week now, and I'm a little obsessed. 200 milligrams of caffeine, 0 sugar, and it doesn't taste like medicine, which is the bar, honestly. The whole brand is called Subscribe, which made me laugh in the store. I don't know, I just feel locked in when I drink it.
And not gonna lie, I'm really impressed with the results. It looks really clean. The model is also looking good, and the voice model is even looking good. But of course, you saw how much manual input it took, because I have to add the pictures, I have to think about the model, I have to think about the prompt. But now I'll show you how to use Claude together with Higgsfield MCP, plus a special Higgsfield skill to automate all of this process and also get hundreds of videos of your product, of UGC promos without any input and without thinking. So first of all, we have to connect Claude to the Higgsfield MCP. So to do that, you can click right here. You can also find the link in the description. Select MCP. You have full instructions. So just copy this link. Go to Claude. Go to Customize. Connectors. Right here, you can see I have it already, but click plus. Add custom connectors. Name it Higgsfield. Paste in the link and just add it. That's it, the connector is done. Next up, we have to add Higgsfield skill. And actually, I took this skill straight from the Higgsfield YouTube. So shout out to Higgsfield YouTube. So you can click Customize, Skills, Plus, and add the skill called Higgsfield Content Factory. As usual, you can find all the skills I show in this video in our free school community. The link in the description, you can just download it right there. So once you have all three things ready, the first one is Higgsfield account, next up NCP connection, and skill installed, we are ready to start. So now type in -Higgsfield Content Factory and click enter. Then you have to answer, is Higgsfield NCP connected? Yes, it's connected. Where do you want to start? So we have 4 different stages: full pipeline, build content plan, generate now, or schedule for meta ads. For this video, let's build a full pipeline. Next up, how many videos do you want? So this will completely depend on your budget and also goals. So let's try really low because I don't want to spend all my credits on this demo. So let's click free. Next up, same as on Higgsfield, we have to add a product image or just URL to our store. So let's add an image. Okay, the same product, subscribe guys. Let's click done or next or do, whatever you call this button, enter. And after a few minutes, we have a plan ready. And this is actually really visual. Usually you could see similar plans if you're working with a marketing agency, but you can see Higgsfield together with Claude replaces all that. It replaces the cameras, the filmmakers, the influencers, and even the planning stage. So we have 3 videos, we have the idea, also we have the campaign split. So we have UGC entertainment, street interview, unboxing, and also they wanted to do a product review and ASMR, but I selected 3 videos. And let's see what kind of videos they decided to do. So they want to do $100 challenge. Interesting, I think this could work. Also you can see the avatar, the aspects, the duration, the setting, and the whole idea about the video. So again, we are doing this for imaginary product, so let's not wait too long. And let's run our first video. And while we wait, we can actually do some other things. So you can actually run a cost report. You can schedule these ads to Meta, but I think let's do cost report to check out how much this cost compared to traditional marketing. So let's click on it. So, okay, we have our videos ready. So let's watch videos first and let's talk about price a bit later. I'll put my headphones. Let's watch it together. Okay.
This is subscribe. $100 if you subscribe before I sip. Tap in daily.
Okay, this looks really good in my opinion. Quality is good. It makes sense. The product, yeah, it looks the same. Yeah, really good. Let's see this one.
Tap in daily. Yeah, 10.
Okay, a bit strange, but still consistent. But still, you can use it. I think it's pretty good. And last one, some boxing. This is nice. Okay, it looks really good in my opinion. Okay, not bad. So we just saw what you can do with Claude. I just had a simple prompt, explained what I want, what kind of product, and how many videos. Then Claude gives you a full plan, so you can actually decide on the ideas, the challenges, the reviews, the unboxing, ASMR. And if you click OK, it will run in the background and create as many ads as you want and as many different ideas. I think this is really groundbreaking. And now let's talk about the price, because of course, if it's really expensive, who will use it? So we also have cost comparison. We spent $2.65 on the free videos. And traditionally, by their calculation, it would cost you $800 on the low side and $5,000 on the higher side. And I could actually agree with the low one, because you have to pay the influencers. These are still influencers, and these are really usable high quality videos, especially this one. And I think this one, and even this one is really great for the social media and even website. Only thing I don't agree, yeah, you have cool videos, but still you need reach, you need accounts. And usually if you work with influencers, you're not only paying for the video, you're also paying for their followers, for the eyeballs they get. And with this method, you still have to pay for the ads, but you get really great ads. So guys, what do you think about the workflow? And of course, don't forget to subscribe and join our free school. See you there.